welcome everyone. This is IMTEX 2023. We are at Hall 4 and I must say, despite of being a working day, it's a huge crowd and the visitors are on large number. So let's hear from one of the visitors. What are they having in their mind after experiencing the Hall 4's demonstrations? And hello sir.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, nice.
Okay, so we are having with us Mr. Mukund from Shubhangad Industries. So Pune, of course. So could you just tell us about how you are finding the demonstration in the hall, for what innovations you have visited?
We have come with a specific objective. In our industry, we are facing some problems. With those problems, we have come, and with the drawings and all the details, we have come. First, find out where we want to visit, and only those stalls we have visited.
Okay. So what was your objective of coming here? As you said, you have came with a specific objective.
One is sliding head machine.
Okay.
3-4 suppliers are there, and we have contacted these people, and we are very happy and very good, healthy discussion was there.
Can you mention their company's name?
Sugami, then Citizen. These are the two, and one more Japanese company.
Okay. Whose innovation you found the best?
Sugami.
All right. So what innovative you find? Like what point at your click? This is the innovation.
Now we are looking for. We're at the entry level, and the machine must be good, and at the cost should be affordable to us.
All right. All right. Thank you so much for giving your insights. Thank you so much for your timing, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So let's catch up with few more visitors who can give us a more idea about what they are finding, what's new, and what innovations they have seen and what they have found great in this exhibition. So may I know your name?
Dhanraj Durge.
Okay, and you are from which company?
Aurangabad Micronics Associates.
Okay, so you're working as a...
As a shop in charge.
Okay, so what is your purpose of visiting this IMTEX show?
New products.
Okay, you want to explore the innovations. So how many stalls you have visited till now?
All number 4.
Okay. So
4 per.
which companies' stalls you have visited and what you found out the new innovation is here?
We see this diamond wheels for our purpose.
Okay.
Diamond wheels.
Okay. So which company's diamond wheels you found the best?
Norton.
Norton. Okay. What was the special thing about that product?
Product is suitable for our product.
Okay. The quality?
Quality also.
Quality is good, you mean? Okay. Thank you for giving us the time. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Can you just talk with us for a few minutes? Yeah. So may I know your name?
Prakash.
Okay. And you from which company?
I am from Sansar Engineering.
Based in?
It's located in Bangalore.
Bangalore itself. Okay. So can you just give me your insights about what is the purpose of you being here visiting IMTEX?
Yeah, see, mainly we are manufacturer of precision forge and machine component. We do manufacture crankshafts, rocker arm, gear shifters, and we do manufacture some hybrid shafts also.
All right.
So we have turning, milling, grinding, honing, so all variety of operations we do.
So how many stalls you visited at Hall 4?
As of now, I have visited the 2 stalls. This is my second stall.
Okay. So what was the experience? Which innovations you have seen?
Yeah, it's a great experience after 2 to 3 years because of the pandemic. Now again we are uniting and we are exploring all the technologies which is available here. We want to also improve some of the machineries in our plant, and I'm taking all those things.
Okay, so any specific thing in your mind you're looking for?
Almost all things are new here. So maximum new things are came. So recently we have been entered into the gear manufacturing segment. So I'm closely watching the gear machines, gear measurements, such kind of machines.
Okay, any suggestions you have? Which company is good to go for gear manufacturing thing?
I have not yet decided. I'm just going through the...
Alright, thank you for giving us an insight. Nice to meet you, sir. Thank you. And we are at the other part of Hall 4 and let's see what are the visitors are having to discuss with us for the demonstration at this part. Let's go. And we have one of the visitors to talk with us, Mr. Dinesh. So can you please introduce your company, what are you into and what are you looking for here?
Actually, we are from IT solution provider.
Okay.
So we are finding out anybody is interested in taking any IT solutions for an integrated systems.
Okay.
End-to-end ERP systems also we provide support.
That's amazing. Can you just give us some more technical insights about what exactly you're offering?
Now we are offering services basically to connect all the departments like logistics department, procurement department, financial department. So we connect to the systems and then provide the integrated solutions.
So you got what you're looking for, or are you about to?
For find out anybody is interested in taking the service.
How many companies you visited here?
Maybe some more than 25 companies we visit.
That's amazing. We wish you all the very best. Thank you. Thank you. So we are having with us another visitor. So let's hear from him what he is looking for. Can you just introduce yourself and your organization?
Yeah, my name is Shahir Shah, and I'm from the Trivandrum, based in Trivandrum, my company, and I'm looking for the manufacturer, the production, the machine for manufacturing of one of our dental product.
Okay.
So it's actually it comes in a CNC machine. So I'm just wanted and just find out the proper machine for that. So it's a new technique. Just quite find out some machines here, and it's all the automatic and machines almost for the mechanical purpose. So it is very different kind of requirements which I'm looking for. And
Okay. So how many companies did you visited? Have you got?
I got about 40 plus company I visited for the machines. Yeah.
So you received the thing which you're looking for, like.
Yeah, I got some few leads from the few companies from Germany.
All right.
Yeah, so I think that's a nice company, and
Okay.
I will get the result from them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Yeah.
गुड इवनिंग सर, आज आपने पूरा दिन ये इमटेक्स घूमा है, आपने क्या एक्सपीरियंस किया? हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस?
बहुत बढ़िया, एकदम बढ़िया। बहुत सारे नई टेक्नोलॉजी देखने को मिली, नए नए बड़े बड़े मशीन्स देखने को मिले। मतलब जो इंटरनेशनल मैन्युफैक्चरर्स के भी मशीन्स अच्छे अच्छे हैं वो भी देखने को मिले।
अमेजिंग। आपका नाम और आपकी कंपनी का नाम आप बताइए।
मेरा नाम आदित्य कोठावे, आई एम फ्रॉम सोना इंडस्ट्रीज कोल्हापुर।
ओके, आप क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस लेके आए थे?
एक्चुअली मुझे नया क्या आया है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर में वो देखना था।
और आपको देखने मिला?
देखने मिला।
विच कंपनीज यू हैव विजिटेड?
आई विजिटेड मेनी कंपनीज लाइक LMW, BMW, दूसान।
विच कंपनीज टेक्नोलॉजी आपको ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी? दूसान। क्या अलग लगा उसमें आपको?
उन्होंने नई मतलब फ्रिक्शन वेल्डिंग की टेक्नोलॉजी लाई है, मतलब बहुत बढ़िया है।
Amazing. Nice to hear it from you, and I hope you have received what you have about to receive. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.